can make it up. I can buy the third car. That's what I'm saying. I can catch them. Hey guys, so it is day 1 of the great race. We are getting ready to rock and roll. We are super excited. We just lined up for the race, as you can see. We are 5 minutes early, and then we are going to leave at 8:31. Hello.
Hi. It says wait 30 seconds after him, but you really don't have to on today. So it's usually easier to just kind of pull out right behind him, because they're going to want to line us up when we get there, and that way we'll kind of all be there. So if you all, once he goes, just kind of pull out, and we'll pull out. And like today, the 30 seconds really doesn't work.
Okay.
Really
Thank you so much.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
Hey, we can see your car. It's good to see it. We know we're on the right road.
Yeah. All right. So definitely, I mean, I'm a little stressed, but I think we really got this in the bag.
We do.
We've been doing a lot of work, a lot of prep, so it's really, really exciting to be able to get to do this. And now, because yesterday our GoPro evidence got time-lapsed accidentally, we made a really awesome drift, and I'm really sad we didn't get that, but it actually looked pretty good towards the end, so be it. So now we're actually gonna get some really great GoPro entries, and the Fairlane's running, so that's really, really exciting. So the girls are gonna be behind us. See you guys there. We're going to turn left at the traffic light up ahead. I'm gonna give them a little bit, okay? What? There we go. I'm gonna check the camera real quick. Make sure our angle is good. Hey guys, so we just made it to the state fair in the Corvette. This is gonna be the lineup, so that's number 1, we're number 2, that's number 3. All the cars are gonna be coming in through the state fair. Our time to get back here is at 10, but our start time is actually 12:02. Another fun thing is we have little hero cards. They're gonna be on the Corvette, but if you see us, we're gonna be carrying them. Come say hi, ask for one, and we're gonna have a great time. So we will see you guys at 12:02. Really exciting. First off, you don't know what position you're in, but we're second car, so we're behind the Grand Marshal and the Grand Champion, which is absolutely insane, especially. So we are moving our cars to the start line right now. We are second, so there's number 1, there's number 3. Oh, 3. Yeah, we're number 2. We are number 2. I think we're just gonna move it up and then sit there for a couple hours.
That's what it looks like. And then we're gonna start the race.
There we go. So we are currently moving to the start line through the entire show. And oh my goodness, the amount of classic cars here. It's incredible. And they're looking good. I've heard
it goes on forever.
It literally goes on forever. And the people that aren't here line up for miles down the road off of the fair to watch these cars come out.
With lawn chairs and flags and cold drinks, just wanting to watch us drive by. It's amazing. It's kind of cool knowing that Jessie, though crazy cool, knowing that Jessie was the Grand Marshal and we're one spot behind where she drove. Yeah, where she did this.
It is really, really
cool. We're one spot behind where she drove when she did this race.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright, so Joe has found a really difficult part in the race, so we're going to go over it right now.
Alright, so what the deal is here is we have a turn and we're in at 35 miles an hour in the turn, and we are out. Those are my keys. I'll get them in a second. We're in at 30 miles an hour in the turn. Sorry, in at 35, out at 30 miles an hour, and we're at 30 miles an hour for 24 seconds, and then up to 50 miles an hour. Okay. And we're straight out of the turn.
Are we splitting on 5 there?
So what we're doing here is we are treating it like a normal turn. In 35, out 30 miles an hour. We're
20 at the apex or 50?
We're going to be 20 at the apex, 1.2 seconds slow. When we hit the apex, we start the 0 minute 24 second timer. And instead of being out 30, I believe, are out 50.
Sweet.
Let me double check.
Yeah,
with that.
We'll double check that, but this is all about what this race is. It's navigating, figuring it out. You get your directions 30 minutes before the race starts, and then you got to go from there. So, thankfully, Joe has done all the math. Can you pick up your board and Joe? A night before. But we get this 30 minutes before normally, and then Joe has to go sit in some quiet little spot
and just
Math it
Scribble
out.
away. Instead of
Scribble
eating,
it away.
I'm gonna be eating numbers.
Yes, there you go. But Joe's got this. She's an amazing navigator, and I'm so excited to have you.
Thank you for having me.
Got you down, Scott. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a wonderful, great race, girls.
Good luck. So we have made it officially done with our calibration test. How did we do?
We did good. We're running more accurately today than yesterday.
So Joe actually adjusted it while I ran into the gas station. She did the math and everything. So that's gonna be awesome. And then now we are at our first stop. So if you can see up there, that's the 40-mile-per-hour sign. That is the sign that we pull up to, and that's the sign we start the race at.
That's the actual start of the Great Race, not the arch.
Yeah, so basically how the Great Race works is right before you start, there's a calibration test. This lets you adjust your speedometer if you need. This gets you in the groove of everything. Really just like lets you kind of chill it out.
It gives you an idea of how precisely you're running and what you might need to change to be doing better.
Or how the weather's affecting your car, etc. So we got here pretty good. I think we did what, 13 seconds?
Yeah,
Over
13 seconds. We were over.
13
But
seconds over.
That was a speedometer problem, not on us.
So now we are adjusting it because I think I did pretty good keeping it around. And look, our grand marshal just pulled up in front of us. So as soon as they go, we go 1 minute after.
All right. We got this.
Give me a second. Right. 30 seconds.
Is that right at the stop time?
Yeah, we're good here.
Just step on it and accelerate to 35?
Yes, and let me know when you hit 35.
Let's go. We got this.
What do we do? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
35.
All right, and then when I tell you, we are going to split 40 miles an hour at 1 minute and 12 seconds to 45 miles an hour, okay? Split 40 miles an hour to 45 miles an hour when I count you down.
Wait. Oh, go to 40.
Yes, go to 40. So here we're going to split to 42.5, and then down to 40.
42. 40.
All right, and then now we're going to turn Joe's side. At the sign, we're going to stop for 9.1 seconds and accelerate to 50 miles an hour. All right. 1, go to 9.
Joe's
2,
side?
yes. 3,
When?
4, 9
seconds?
5, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to 50 miles an hour now. All right, perfect. Now we stay at 50 until we see a curve warning sign just with a single curve on it. And there we are going to split 49 miles an hour down to 48.
Got it.
You see that right there? We're going to
What?
split down to 48 at that side. We're going to go
Split to 40.
so just drop
Hit 49 at that sign, and
yes,
then
50 to 48. Exactly.
Got it.
At that sign right there, okay?
Got it.
Let me know when you hit 48. It should be really quick.
Ready?
Yes.
49, 48.
All right. We got some tough directions coming up, so I'm just dialed in on that.
Okay.
But again, I will count you down in about a minute and 30 seconds to 50 miles an hour.
Alright. 15.
All right, now we're gonna go 15 out here.
Out?
Out
Where?
here.
Yes? Okay. Out here?
Hold up.
Out here?
It was out right there. That's completely on me.
What do I do?
Just make it to our checkpoint. We'll get this leg cut later on. We got 5 legs that they're gonna cut for us. This will be one of them. With that truck there, I hit the stopwatch and I completely blanked.
That's okay. I can make it up. I can find the third car. That's what I'm saying. I can catch them. If you're okay with me catching that third car, I'll get right behind them.
And if you want to do that second roundabout, we're gonna go straight.
And as soon as I hit the checkpoint, straight that way?
Yes. Straight ahead. So we're gonna not take this first one, but the one after that.
I'm gonna try and catch up to the third car.
Okay.
And until I see a checkpoint, and then I'm slamming on my brakes.
Sounds
you
good.
keep up with the directions, okay?
Sounds good. I'm not focusing on speed right now. I'm just focusing on directions.
Focus on directions. You yell them out to me, and I'm gonna go around.
All right, we're looking for CO9 Boulevard at the stop sign. They're letting us pass. Let's go.
Let's make this up.
Pass them. I'll start the stopwatch, okay?
You ready? I'm gonna go around this truck.
Sounds
Ready?
good.
That's point. Go in the middle. It kind of helps me keep it steadier. I feel
Yeah.
like.
And there's one thing that they will talk about later on down the line that we are not going to worry about right now. But sometimes where you drive on the road can add or take away distance. That is not something we're worried about yet. Stop sign up ahead means we're going the right direction. Again, 40, stopping for 10 seconds, out at 40.
At Joe's side.
Joe's side. From here on out, we don't have to make up any time as long as we keep doing good. It's just stop sign turns. We just have to make one split and then we're good. Okay, this is it. Just keep 40, keep going 40 miles an hour. This is it. Oh. Congratulations, we've done it. Okay. So now we're gonna continue straight, and at the next stop sign, we're gonna turn Joe's side.
Okay guys, so day one done. As you can see, we're at the gas station. We got our drinks. We did pretty good.
Yeah,
We missed one roundabout, but we kind of made it up.
kind of. It was impressive.
It was really impressive.
Like, at least for on the fly, we did really good. And the best thing is, if that's the worst we do, it gets thrown out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be okay.
We actually get what, 6 thrown out because we're rookies.
It's at least 5. It's either 5 to 7. I don't know the number right now.
But because we're rookies, our worst times get thrown out of our calculations. So we only have what, 4 more times to mess up? So we just got to the stop of the race. We are picking up our time sheet. We have our border sheet too. We are number 32. Number 32.
Using all kinds of online content during this race. Hi.
Hello.
To my 20 followers.
Okay, so they're putting the professional.
What you're doing? How'd you get another ace?
And it was the one that we got perfect. The one that was on video. We got the whole run on video. We got the whole run on video.
3 early.
Only
Yeah, we missed a turn.
Yeah, we
You
missed a
did
turn
right. You
there.
put in time like, but you needed a minute and 20 would have given you
Yeah,
a
we missed
5.
a turn, so we couldn't put in a
You
time allowance
get
for
some
that.
blowouts, so that'll be a
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
We did incredible! We lose that turn. It was a 6-second day for us. It was a 6-second day for us.
Yep. Okay, guys, so we are walking back to the hotel with our 7-second run.
7-second day. Whole day. Got our worst run drop for the day. That is 7 seconds
7
going
seconds.
on the official leaderboard today.
As rookies.
As rookies.
So if that doesn't make any sense to anybody, yesterday the rookies who won,
I think it was somewhere like 27 seconds or something like that.
we
And today
totally 7, which is amazing. So now we're walking to our hotel from the show.
for some much earned relaxation.
Oh, sleep,
Yes.
shower,
They have a bowl.
laundry, and editing.
All right, guys. So we're double filming right now, but we have our cumulative scores. We scored really, really good. So we're recording this, opening it up, and our reactions for it. With our singular drop as rookies, we have
A 7-second day, which is absolutely ridiculous. It's to keep in mind, without their drops, a lot of the people that have won this race before are running like 9-second days, 8-second days. So for us to be having a 7-second days as rookies is basically
Really
unheard of.
awesome.
It's amazing.
Yeah, really,
so
really awesome.
We're gonna see how we did all in all and how we did within our class. If we did it within our class, we're gonna win a prize. So we'll see.
We have it right here, guys.
Okay.
Give
All
it.
right. Click on cumulative.
We're 8, right?
Yeah.
14th.
Oh my god.
We're 14th in the
We're
overall. in the race.
14th overall. Second in our class. Nope, third in our class. Because R means class. Third in class, 14 overall. This is amazing. This is really good.
So, like, guys, we've never done the Great Race before.
Never. This is new to us. This is new to us.
14th is insane. Out of
Third
how-
in class. Third in our class.
Guys, it's out of how many people? Like,
Over 160. It's out of over 100.
We're 14th.
14th overall. 14th. Oh my god. This is insane. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Now is tomorrow's race, which is a whole new race. All new scores, all new sets, all new times,
Yeah, but
and
we're
everything.
podium within our class.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh.